When we say leg of the bird, you matter about leg of the carelessness, leg of the foolishness, leg of the arms house, leg of the violence, and we say bring on the what? Bring on the positivity, don't it? Bring on the education, don't it? As we celebrate youth, as we celebrate every single one of you, never forget that an education is the best gift you can give yourselves. Never forget that in all things, you must be your biggest cheerleader. You must champion your own cause. Because there will come a time when you might feel that the world has turned its back on you. But most importantly, you must never turn your back on yourselves. You must never stop believing in your power and in the power of youth.
Listen, young people, you are the change agents of today, and we're looking forward to your robust participation in national discourse and providing your perspectives on policies and initiatives.
As a country, we remain committed to ensuring that we have all the policies and programs for your development.
We remain committed as a ministry to creating an enabling environment for youth empowerment, personal development, and contribution to the shaping of policies in collaboration with the relevant stakeholders. I wish to assure you, our nation's youth, that there will be a continued focus on placing your views across our various sectors to engage in more meaningful partnerships in developing appropriate interventions and services that will impact your lives. We also will continue to place all our students, their mental health, their mental well-being as a priority for the ministry.